Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull for day trading options. First, open a Webull brokerage account and complete the application process. Ensure your account holds at least $25,000 to qualify for pattern day trading status. Next, apply for options trading privileges directly within the Webull app. This step is crucial for gaining access to the options market. Before trading, grasp the basics of options. Call options bet on price increases, while put options anticipate decreases. Remember, each option contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Pay close attention to expiration dates and strike prices, as these are fundamental to your trading decisions and potential outcomes. To execute a trade, first navigate to the options chain for your selected stock on Webull. Carefully choose your desired strike price and expiration date. Then, select your preferred order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price, and specify the quantity of contracts. Effective risk management is vital for day trading options. Always implement stop-loss orders to protect your capital and limit potential losses. Aim to risk no more than 1% to 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. Develop a clear, disciplined trading plan and consistently adhere to your established rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.